Good evening, Borderland. I'm forecaster Alexandria Acosta, and it's gusty, it's dusty, and we are still under a weather alert. Gusts are expected to peak up to 60 miles per hour, but after midnight they will calm down only just a little bit to 20 to 30 miles per hour. But the weather alert is ahead of tomorrow, as we are expecting gusts to exceed 40 miles per hour and even some rain chances throughout the day. But the good news is we should be back to dry weather by Wednesday. All right, taking a look at wind speeds right now across the borderland. El Paso 38 degrees, 38 mile per hour winds. Las Cruces 36 miles per hour. Van Horn 40, and Guadalupe Pass at 50. Can you believe that? It's going to be expected to pick up throughout the evening as well. Looking at our lows for tonight, El Paso 45 degrees, Juarez at 61 degrees, and Las Cruces 62 degrees, while Van Horn is at 56 degrees and Guadalupe Pass at 54 degrees, and Cloudcroft 33 degrees. Looking at our high for tomorrow in El Paso, we are forecasting 61 degrees, very windy, partly cloudy skies. We are expecting westerly winds ranging from 20 to 30 miles per hour and 30% chance of rain. That's sunrise at 7:03 in the morning and sunset at 7:20 in the evening. As far as Las Cruces, we are looking at 60 degrees, mostly sunny skies with windy conditions as well. Westerly winds from 20 to 30 miles per hour as well, and sunrise and sunset to match with the Sun City. Looking at our highs tomorrow across the region, we are looking at Deming 57 degrees, Silver City 45, and looking at Guadalupe Pass 56 degrees and Van Horn 64 degrees for right now. That car wash forecast, I am going to say a red light for Monday, as those gusts are expected to peak up to 40 miles per hour. Breezy conditions on Tuesday, a little bit of a yellow light, and then that green light is back on Wednesday with those sunny conditions and a high of 69 degrees. That allergy forecast, looking at Monday, it's going to be the highest out of those 3 days. It's going to be a peak. Tuesday dropping down just a tad, and Wednesday a little bit back to normal. So if you suffer from allergies, make sure you carry that medication on the go wherever you're going. KTSM 9 News gives you an idea of that forecast. Looking at Monday, we are starting the work week off with 30% chance of rain. 40 mile per hour gusts. 61 is going to be that forecasted high with 44 degrees in the evening. Looking on Tuesday, 20% chance rain, breezy conditions, 62 degrees. Then we cool off to 43 degrees, and Wednesday, sunny skies, 69 degrees is going to be that forecasted high. A little bit warmer than usual. Then we warm up again on Thursday, 79 degrees, 55 as that forecasted low. Friday, 81 degrees, breezy conditions with some broken clouds in the area. 82 on Saturday, 58 is going to be that forecasted low. And then on Sunday, we're going to look at 80 degrees. It's going to be a beautiful day with some sunny skies. 71 degrees on Monday with 10% chance of wind and those windy conditions. Tuesday, 71 degrees. I do want to give a big shout out to our weather watcher. This is from Susie Weber in Las Cruces. From that sunrise this morning, very beautiful. And one more weather watcher, let's take a look. Juan Zapata in El Paso, that beautiful, beautiful moon. If you would like to be a weather watcher, make sure you submit those photos to news@ktsm.com or any of the platforms that you see on your screen. Oriana, back to you.